Today I'm creating a colorful summer eye look using the brilliant colors of Jeffree Star's Mini Jawbreaker palette. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. We cover being fabulous in every way on this channel, from meditation to makeup at any age. Thanks for watching, and I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now. Today, I'm revisiting this palette. This one actually belongs to my daughter. I have the original Jawbreaker. She got the mini. And I was thinking, this is a great size palette to travel with. What can I do to create something really bright and colorful and summery today using these colors? To provide sort of a base and cut the crease, I'm using this Jeffree Star concealer in 4.5, which is a little bit lighter than, the best concealer fit for me. And I just put a little dot here, and then just kind of blink a little bit. And then I'm taking this basic packing brush and going over the concealer and bringing it down along the crease line and over the base of my eye. Okay. So now, I think to start with the color, I'm going to try this tan golden scoop, and I'm going to use this bigger blending brush and just take a slight dab of it and just draw it along the eyelid. This is just sort of a nice, warm, golden nude shade. And next, I'm going to take Foreplay, which is a slight purpley pink, and start from the outer corner and work my way along the crease and in toward the center. And now I'm taking my liner brush. This is just an angled flat brush. And I'm going in with Purple Punch and just tapping it, just sort of gently tapping it along the lash line. Again, Purple Punch. And with more mature skin, if you gently tap, it's actually better, much better for your skin than the sweeping motion, which sort of pulls on it. And then I'm actually going to use this more shimmery oral with the same brush and just do lightly on the lower lash line. Just start at the crease and go down along the lower lash line. And I really like the shimmers in this Orange Crush. So I'm just going to dot this with a blending brush and sort of blend it in together to bring actually a little bit of a rainbow look. And blend it in from the pink. Okay, now that's a pretty bold, colorful look. So what I'm going to do now to try and sort of neutralize it and bring it together a little bit is I'm going in with this gold shade. It's called Slice, and it's just a nice shimmery gold. And I'm also taking my blending brush with that as well and just dot all along the upper eye and sort of blend together. Okay, you can see what I've done. You see the hints of the purples and the pinks, but it's all kind of muted with the gold, so it doesn't look too outlandish. It's just bright and colorful and summery. So let me go ahead and finish up with my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I did my mascara. I used Jeffree Star Mascara, and this is my complete look. Nice, bright, colorful, summery. You wear a mask and you still get noticed with this eye look. So this is it for today. Getting ready to go out. It's a beautiful day out. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.